Oh, and an extension to the things that we were looking at in the previous videos. Remember the exercise we did previously on this playlist where we were coordinating the geometry of the location of a sphere on top of a Earth's surface with WebSocket communication? So, turns out that we can connect also that exercise to the work that we've done in the Telegram bot. Remember that the exercise that we did in Grasshopper was basically one where we connected the simple WebSocket server, the one we did in previous videos, and we used that to coordinate the location of the sphere. However, because the we can, instead of connecting to that server, we can connect to this new server, the one that we have created, which also does basic echoing, and we can use that to exchange the location of the sphere by driving it with this Telegram bot. So just like we were typing the coordinates to move, this object around. So for example, oh, well, this is not connected right now. Sorry. So just like we were using that to connect to that one, if we connect to the Telegram bot server with the example that you saw in the previous Grasshopper videos, then it becomes very easy to say, well, let me just tell the bot that it needs to go to 0.2 and 0.8. And then, so that's going to be there. And what about going to 0, 0? And that's going to go all the way there. And what about going to the center, more or less, of the Earth surface? So it goes there, etc., etc. And let me actually try from my phone so that you see that this is true. I'm going to open Telegram and and I'm going to type, you're going to see it on the screen actually. Ball 0.25, 0.7. And let me see, boom. I just did that from my phone right now, okay? So how cool is it that we can control geometry and even animations in Grasshopper now with our phone? Okay, so let me do it again just because ball 0.3, 0.4, and that's going to go, boo, you know? All right, I love this game. Okay, so this was just a small video to show you how now that we have created this architecture of servers that talk to each other and exchange data between clients, then connecting different clients, so long as the clients are able to read a JSON file that has an X and Y coordinate and use that for some purpose, then everything works. All right. So thanks a lot and see you on the next videos.